Alright, good morning. Well, I thought I'd make a quick video on how to update the software on the iPilot. I know there's been some questions out there. This is the first time I'm going to do it, so we'll do it for my first time together and see how it works. Seems pretty simple to me, but we'll try it out. Alright, I'm out here. As you can see, I'm out here in the weather. That's why I'm not fishing today. And I have the battery hooked up. And we'll get this started. All right, so here I am outside. I have the kill switch in, have the motor down. It beeped when I pulled it down. We'll do it again. Right here. There it beeped. All right. Got my mini remote, but I don't think it gets an update. But here it is. And then, of course, here's my standard remote, right there. And of course, the Minn Kota. Now, I have several devices paired with my motor. I have my puck right here, and I have my regular remote control, that's 2 items, and then I have my mini remote control, that's 3 items, and I'm going to do my cell phone, which is 4. All right, I'm going to pair with the iPilot, so I'm going to scan, hold down the button here. There it is. Okay, there it is. It's paired. That's a pain in the butt. All right, but I had to reinstall the program on my cell phone. That's why I had to repair it. All right, it says right here. Let's move in here so it's a little brighter. It says new software update is available. Would you like to update it now? So I want to make sure my remote is still on, which it is, right here. Okay, and I got the message on my phone. All right, so let's hit yes. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi in my house. It says here the controller. The current version is 1.220 and the new version is 1.310. Okay, and the remote, the current version is 0. So I've never done an update, and it came pretty much blank. And this says that the bug fix related to dual Raptor network. Probably has nothing to do with what we use it for, but we'll go ahead and update it anyway. So then I'll press the begin the update button here. It says keep phone in range, do not remove power from the motor, keep app in foreground until update is complete. So don't go playing around with your cell phone or do anything while it's updating. So click OK. And you get a little status bar down here on the bottom. Goes pretty quick. 10%. Right here. Okay, you see it goes pretty quick. Says software update complete. I just heard the motor beep. The motor is restarting. Initiate update process on remote after restart. Okay. So now the motor's updated. What do we have to do on the remote? Oh, look at that. The remote says new software available. Right here. All right. So what do we do here? System. There we go. Update software. New software available. And click update right there. Software updating on remote. And the motor started spinning around. Oh, because it's not down all the way. Installing update on the remote. Says you are responsible for the safe and prudent operation of your vessel. This product does not relieve you from the responsibility of safe operation of your boat. Duh. Okay. That's it. It's updated. Just as simple as that. It wasn't no big deal. I noticed my motor, I didn't have it down all the way. There you go. So let me turn my motor here just to make sure that everything is like responding like it should. Yep. Looks like it's working. Now that I got it paired up with my app, which I had a problem with before. You're here in the shade a little bit. Let's see. Yep. All right. So that's cool. It's responding. Great. So that's all there is to it. No big deal. Just make sure you're connected close to a network, and make sure that your battery's connected. Good. Your motor's locked down. You see mine wasn't locked down all the way, but it didn't affect it. At least it was communicating. Your app is paired with your motor, and make sure you update your motor first, which that's what's going to do automatically, and then you'll have the option to update your remote after that. And that's all there is to it. Battery connected. Make sure the motor's paired. Make sure you have your app on your cell phone. Make sure your remote is on. And make sure that you leave your screen in the forefront. Don't minimize your screen on your phone while you're updating the motor. The motor will update first, and then you have the option on the remote to update the remote. That's it. Pretty simple. All right, I hope this video helps. Anybody had any doubt about it? Like I said, this is the first time that I've done it, so you're doing it for the first time with me. And that's good, because now we can see what the messages are. All right, please subscribe below. Whenever I come up with any more crazy ideas, I'll put them on video. And I hope this helped anybody that had any doubts over what to do with updating the software on the iPilot. Have a great day, and see you soon on the water, hopefully if the weather clears up.